I'm very excited to share a recipe, Sheet Pan Kabobs. Trust me, they are time saver and juicy and delicious. Let's dive right in. To start, I'm making a mince at home and using half chicken breast and chicken thighs. You can blend these in a food processor as well. Next, grab the onions and chop them in half. Blitz and transfer to a cheesecloth. Squeeze out any excess moisture and stir into the minced chicken. Now it's time to bring in some freshness. Chop parsley, dill and coriander. Season with salt, ground garlic, onion, black pepper, cumin, smoked paprika and turmeric. Get your hands in there and mix everything thoroughly. Add a bit of a ghee and keep mixing for about 10 minutes. If you have time, marinate. But I'm making right now, grease the sheet pan with a ghee and spread the kebab mixture using wet hands for an even layer and cut into strips. Preheat the oven and bake those kebab for about 20 minutes, then broil on a high heat. While those baking, let's whip up some refreshing tzatziki sauce. Start by peeling a cucumber and grating it. Sprinkle with salt and then squeeze out all the excess liquid. Combine with full-fat Greek yogurt. Next, add the chopped parsley and dill. Taste and season with salt if needed. A splash of lemon juice, minced garlic and a drizzle of olive oil. Stir until everything is well combined. For salad, take some sliced red onions, mix them with a chopped parsley and sliced red chilies. In the end, sprinkle with sumac and toss it all together. Once the kebab are out of the oven, it's time to serve. I have picked up some flatbread from a local shop. Lay those juicy kebabs on a flatbread along with a zesty onion salad and a creamy tzatziki. And there you have it. Enjoy!